Okay, I took a break from some fun corporate stuff and came out to check on the chickens. And they're eating and talking to me. They don't stay in this all day. They get free range of this whole yard area here. This morning I put some rose petals and lavender and rosemary in their nesting boxes. And they didn't eat too many of the rose petals. And what I thought was interesting is you can hear all these birds. I don't know if you can hear them, but they're up in this bougainvillea party. You would think it was. They sound really pretty though. And the girls are just talking. So I'm going to take this egg out. Close this up. So I'm not sure which one laid this one. So I usually get one a day from them. What are you guys doing? You can come out. What? Hi. Hi. I'm gonna take your egg inside, okay, girls? I know, you think I got something special. Later on. Okay? Okay, Penny? Oops. Okay, see you girls later. You're gonna try and follow me out. No, you gotta stay.